Ever stare at your to-do list and feel a cold sweat prickle your skin? Like there's just too much and it's all due yesterday? We've all been there, drowning in tasks, deadlines looming, and that nagging feeling that something important is slipping through the cracks. If you manage a team, that feeling gets multiplied. Keeping everyone on the same page, ensuring projects stay on track, and avoiding that chaotic scramble at the 11th hour. It's enough to make even the most organized person want to crawl under their desk. So what's the answer? How do we tame the task monster and achieve that elusive state of productivity nirvana? Well, that's where project management tools come in. And today we're diving deep into one of the most popular options, Asana. But before we unpack all of Asana's features, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the llama in the logo. What exactly is Asana's main purpose? Asana, in its simplest form, is a project management tool designed to streamline teamwork and boost productivity. It's like a digital whiteboard for your projects, a central hub where you can create tasks, assign them to team members, track progress, and collaborate seamlessly. Think of it this way. Imagine a traditional office with bulletin boards overflowing with sticky notes, different colored markers representing different priorities. Asana takes that concept and throws it into a digital blender, creating a smooth, organized system accessible from anywhere, at any time. But Asana is more than just a glorified to-do list app. It offers a range of features that cater to different team dynamics and project needs. Here are a few key functionalities that set Asana apart. Task creation and management. Break down large projects into manageable chunks with clear tasks, deadlines, and assignees. Project organization. Group related tasks into projects, keeping everything relevant neatly bundled together. Communication and collaboration. Ditch the endless email chains. Discuss tasks directly within Asana, fostering a central communication hub. Progress tracking. Monitor the progress of your team and individual tasks, ensuring everyone stays on track. File sharing. Attach relevant files, documents, and images to tasks for easy access and reference. Customization. Tailor Asana to your specific workflow with custom fields, templates, and automation rules. Integrations. Connect Asana with your favorite productivity tools like Slack, Dropbox, and Google Drive for a seamless workflow. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, Asana's flexibility allows it to adapt to your needs. Need a simple way to manage individual tasks? Asana's got you covered. Running complex, multi-layered projects. Asana provides the structure and tools to keep things moving smoothly. But is Asana the right project management tool for you? Well, that depends. Here are some things to consider. Team size. Asana shines with small to medium-sized teams. For very large teams with complex needs, there might be a steeper learning curve. Project complexity. For straightforward projects, Asana simplicity is a plus. For highly intricate projects with numerous dependencies, other tools might offer more advanced features. Technical expertise. Asana is user-friendly, but some features might require a bit of exploration and learning. Ultimately, the best way to know if Asana fits your needs is to try it out. They offer a free plan with limited features, which is a great way to get your feet wet and see if it clicks with your team. So there you have it. Asana, the project management tool with a friendly llama mascot, aims to be your one-stop shop for streamlined teamwork and boosted productivity. Whether it's the perfect fit for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. But with its focus on simplicity, collaboration, and flexibility, Asana is a powerful tool that can help you wrangle that task monster and achieve your project goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.